Okay, so I'm looking really washed out. I don't know, like, why. Like, why am I looking so washed out? And I look like booty hole lips. Okay, so I am vlogging today. I'm running so behind. Like, I'm so late. I had practice, and it started at 11. It's 12 now. And I have to go to a brunch at 12:30, so I'm about to pop in practice, apologize for not showing up, and then leave, head to brunch. I have to be there at 12:30. So I just felt like vlogging today. I felt like I don't want to be stuck in a box of like doing the same old stuff on my channel, like just hair videos. So I want to do some other stuff, some different stuff. So I just wanted to try vlogging. So we vlogging today, sis. I need to hurry up and get going because, like, for real, y'all, I'm late. And what really happened was I woke up late, and then I had on, like, clothes for brunch. Like, I thought it was going to be nice and sunny outside because that's what my phone said, the weather app. And then I came out here, and it was freezing and windy, so I went back upstairs and changed my clothes. So, practice then brunch. What up, though? I just left brunch. I did not vlog in there just because, like, listen, we was having some deep conversations, okay? Like, deep. So, I didn't vlog only because, like I said, we was having real deep conversations. But we are about to head to another store. And I'm not sure if we could vlog in there or not. Well, if I can record in there or not. I'll see when I get there. But yeah, like, I finally got a chance to slow down. Even though I'm kind of sort of running late because my brother's baby shower starts at 4. And it is after 4 right now. And I'm still not there. And I have not yet went and even got his gift. But I feel like I'm going to be okay. Because it's from 4 to 7. So I got a little bit of time. So yeah, this wig is from Shop All Things Beauty. Well, I mean, like, it's by Sensational, but I saw this on shopallthingsbeauty.com. I didn't really have a chance to freak it for real. Like, because I've been rushing all morning. Y'all know, like, I had a real kind of, like, late start to my morning. Like, for real. But yeah, we went to Eco Tap and Grill in Jersey. It was cute. I went there once before, but not for brunch. So it was a completely different menu. But, excuse me, it was cute. Now I'm about to head to the store. I gotta use my GPS, and y'all know I record off my phone. So I need to use my GPS to be able to get there. And then, like, I'll try to vlog like once I get there, and then we shall see if I can record inside the store. Yeah, let me go because I'm always the last one. I'm always running late. It's like, I love to tell myself that I'm not always late, but I feel like every time, like, I attempted to vlog last weekend and it didn't go so well, but I feel like each time I try to vlog, I convince myself again that I am always late, and that it's not, that I'm just like, you know, running behind. It's like, no, sis, you late. Okay. So far, I have been doing a piss poor job at vlogging, and I'm sorry. But I just left with the girls, and I couldn't record in the store, so I just, you know, it was. And you know what I find, like, after vlogging this one day, that it's really difficult to vlog everything, because, like, some things are just, like, intimate moments. And then not only that, like, sometimes you just get caught up in the moment and you kind of, like, enjoying it, and you don't think to, like, pull out your camera. So that kind of was, like, my situation. I mean, like, I couldn't film in it anyway, but I feel like, you know, like, it would have been extremely difficult for me to, like, tried it. It would have been extremely difficult for me to try and, like, film but still enjoy the moment. Like, I don't see how people do that. Like, because then I would be paying no attention to y'all. Like, if I'm vlogging and I'm, like, you know, enjoying the moment and living in the moment, I probably would not be paying attention to y'all, or if I'm paying attention to y'all, I'm not really living in the moment. Like, you know, so it's like, how do people do this? This is actually very difficult. But I am about to head home and change my clothes and change my wig. I'm probably going to put on, I don't know. I'm probably going to put, I don't know, it's kind of cold. I didn't think it was going to be this cold, so I kind of just got this sweater on. But it's kind of cold. So, yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm kind of hungry, even though I just left brunch. I didn't really eat too much because I don't like to eat until I'm stuffed. Like, I like to just eat to kind of feel full, but not eat till I'm like feeling like I want to die. So now I'm kind of hungry, but I'm about to go home and, like I said, change my clothes and meet up with Rob because we have a date night tonight. So I'm doing like 3 wig changes today. But yeah, like, so far I'm having a great and spectacular and fantastic day. I'm about to also head to, after I change my clothes, I'm gonna head to my brother's baby shower, which I'm so glad that we black, because it's like they haven't even started the baby shower yet. It was supposed to start at 4 and it's going on 6 and it still ain't started yet. My sister texted me and said, so that's good. I'm really not feeling this makeup today. Like, but like, I mean, even aside from my little creasing on my laugh lines, but it's just like, no, we're not here for it today. I'm about to go home and I'm gonna try and vlog some more. So yeah, I need to use my GPS, so that's why I have to stop vlogging now, because I gotta use my GPS to get to where I'm going. And as y'all know, I record off my celly, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I want to show y'all my sneakers, but I can't because of like how I am in my car. I love these sneakers, they so cute. I just am obsessed with them. But yeah, I'll show you later. What up though? Rob's here and we're about to go to Family Dollar because I need to get a gift card for my brother. I was gonna get a gift, but I can't today. I just cannot. I'm using a Red Bull because I'm soon to fall asleep, like if I don't. So I'm trying to drink it fast, but I feel like this is like soda. Like, it's very acidic, so I can't really like drink it fast like this. You know what? What people don't tell you about vlogging is that it takes incredible arm strength, okay, to hold your damn phone up and talk about whatever needs to be talked about or vlog your day. Like, it requires a lot of arm strength, okay? I changed my, well, I ain't changed my wig. I was originally going to change my wig, but I just couldn't be bothered, so I just threw a hat on. And I darkened up my eyebrows because I felt like they was just looking. I was supposed to put something on my lips. I forgot. I just realized now I'm gonna be demonetized. Well, copyrighted because music playing in the background. But I was supposed to put something on my lips and I completely forgot. But what'd I do? Oh yeah, so I just changed added a hat and put some just some little bit of bronzer in my crease and darkened up my eyebrows because I felt like I was looking kind of washed out. And I like this better because these lashes are kind of like, they're not dramatic or super glam, but they glam enough to the point that like you need to have something going on your eye. So yeah, that's what I did. It's going on like many hours that I've had this makeup on now, and it's starting to look a mess. but About to go into Family Dollar. I'm not sure if I can record in it, but I'm gonna try because I feel like I've been doing a bad job at vlogging all day because I've been like, because I've been like enjoying my day. So it's been kind of like difficult for me to like vlog too. So I'm about to head into Family Dollar. Found one. You know, I'm about to get a card, like a card to put the gift card in. Because I think it's just tacky to just like handle just a gift card with no like cord. If I could just find the cards. Oh, here they go. 1 to twin powers activate. No, I got the gift card and the card for the gift card to go inside of. It smell like witch hazel, right? Huh? It smell like witch hazel. The sad thing is like I can't really stay. Like I'm gonna pop in, give my gift card, and then pop out because me and Rob got a date, and we haven't been on a date in a minute. So yeah, we are going on date night. So it's like I can't really like stay long, and I feel bad because you know, like I've been kind of like ripping and running all day, but also too, that fool wasn't even there. I was on the phone with my sister at like after 6 o'clock, and he still wasn't even at the place. So he probably just getting in himself. Anyway, I am about to rest my arm because sis, my arm hurt. Look at Robin, he's so cute. I'm about to rest my arm, and then like I'm literally like almost right here at the baby shower. So once I get in there, I'll vlog a little bit. But yeah, I'm supposed to vlog my sneakers. My ankle is very ashy. Please disregard that. But like I love these sneakers. They so cute. Like look at how cute they are. I mean, yours are alright. These are so comfortable and they so cute. I love the little specks on the bottom. Super cute. Okay, so I was just editing the vlog and realized that I did not record a outro. Like I just completely abandoned vlogging for the rest of the day because like I went to the baby shower, and as y'all heard in that last clip, it was pretty loud in there, and I got a zillion nieces and nephews, and it was all over me, and I was playing with them and all of that stuff. So just vlogging, just it didn't work out at the baby shower because it was too much going on. And then like after the baby shower, I had to rush home and change my clothes to go on date night with Rob. And I was rushing to do that. And then like, you know, the date was meant for us to like spend time together and really like, you know, get that QT going. So like vlogging just would not have been right in that moment. Like we was trying to bond and like all of that kind of stuff. So I couldn't vlog the date night. And then after the date night, it just like, you know, like it was late and I just completely forgot. So it was the following day, and I'm just gonna close out this vlog because I did a bad job yesterday. But I think that I would have to vlog again, like when I have a lot, like, you know, not a lot of stuff to do, but like, you know what, a somewhat busy day, but I'm not like running super late, and I have time to like, you know, like vlog and stuff like that. So I think I'll do it again, but just like when I'm not so like on the go, fast paced. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great week. And if y'all like the vlogs, then give the video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel too. Don't forget to do that. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Peace and blessings.